Adom 106.3. Baby mo achi mo akwa ba mfa mbraga na age atuma kasa fide so high Adom 106.3. Dwaso Nsem nie. Ye frei Fabɛwɔso. So betimi a Fabra wo de wa moja beba. Ma menka chensem be ba ko na medumi ma na te ase. Time Professor Mills Fimu no na nya Julius Debra na chief of staff. Pacho, let's all get it right. Planning committee a wo ya wo twitwa asika boom 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 boom. So the Bayer Professor Mills Library, ye the Bayer Museum, near the bia na ye, na Julius Debra onam bonkum anaso onam nifa. Samre no wo Ghana Tourism Authority. No me who no nya minister kura. She ni woni plan hwe wo hwa committees o motete ya hodo bebrebe en so konkru nyina onam biam. Eti aya ye kasa na opese wo koka bi wo ba bia ten waso na ti asem no yie na wo kwa wakante se de te. Julius Zebra Professor Mills di wo hu sika bia nkodo ho. Now onye chief of staff. Titi asientem. Yemfa no to. Your Excellency. Dana Joada me catch us say o main security here. Enti woni kanda paidi nkomo na woni ne deputy no your friend saying Brian bon komo na wo fry GP na wo fry chief of the first staff na wo yes say na wo ni na say bambo no hia na interior ne fa ejina who the IGP yes IGP they aka no enu 30 days no ko adwempa kura na wo tirim ntanka bia waka che so nko leave kura nto aso na che se nkasi na so da bi bebi nti ama wo ese se otukwa kura wo ntimi nko nche so twen. But who will become your next IGP if you really want to handle security in this country? Who will be your IGP? Nyame ena meyi nya adwoa nya fodwo nya me kuro mo hene nya me sofo eye wo na obeyi ba wo yi amaye and pembe ya na yenye interested in who becomes the IGP. Yeah, because they say oh president na what to be so body say to be bobi di wa be hwie say poto she say poto no ko it is a BBC na fe ya train sa police form penny phone bi so and we na sabotage ye and we na yes say and we na have no I say how Monday the me catch out say we your opposition leader na wonim say nipa bi nteme mfa nima one no want to be found we are cowards. They are cowards. You know who will serve your interest as a president and serve the interest of Ghanaians better? Me de we so twere han ne. Ma sha ase asa no me wasem ka. na nya no na meka ne ne na meka school feeding nana wo hwa biom na mesa ba yeto a ye beto aba no wo ma yete ase se corruption de enya wo wa ban no wo ma ni si ne ensi china won pene because what can you brofo we say I am not corrupt and I will not sit down and allow anybody in my administration to also be corrupt. And I can't to us to be obsessed. Obi wo wa bam. Na se oya dia eye dream katasehye ene proya. Wo mfa nkyere ne emfa nkyere kina. Ene ye before e beto abama wo. Ene Ghana for who say what me do say si wo bo. So when you corrupt. Now one appointing Crawford so where you corrupt that. Who be the president no say kan. Ada woni ministers ni na share opeduase. Wo say ka kire yen. Say won hwe ye na obi amfa ne nsan kwan koka Ghana sika kwan bia so say nipa no oye minister. So a deputy minister, so ye ni appointee, so ye DCEO, so ye MCEO, so ye Daniel. So what boni din so nkoye adwuma nipa ne hweye. Banana. Eni amani bi kwaso a ida sa wonte ye. Anasa ye mebo wamane. Anasa ye bia wo hunu ye. Anasa ye bia wo hu ba wo mfi. Kwase ni amana Oka yen so bi ya bibi besi no na na ekoso. And today I will tell you ekoso. And I've said it say the nana I know the nana I know from 2001 the nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo I know. The nana I saw in Kenya. The nana in Ivory Coast. The nana in Benin. Yay, baby, you come Ghana for 10 years for saying Gambia, na Zambia, Gambia. The nana I know. The nana I met. The nana I saw in Gambia. Nana, I don't know what is happening to you. Something is wrong somewhere. Ebiana win information it is a cano. So check the people around you. You are being fed with wrong information. Maka, say me bagana hey. I've not seen a president. Yes, so you corrupted that. Won't me bibia, but nipa na wo hono. So one here on besel. Begu aban no. And it happened to Rollins. It happened to Kofo. It happened to Professor Mills before and so it happened to John Mahama. Nana Drew so. Omo weke. Check it. School feeding program. His Excellency John Ajekum Kofi Diewuo Kufo na Kofabaye. Ghana your budget so papa. Say your mana wo school no. Kwada nketenkete wo kwa school a wo benya aduane ade because efie bi ho ekom wo ho. Ti akwada ntimi mfa kom mfrifie ensa mfa kom enko school no ensa mfa kom ne ma. Na ban ni nye ni suade hunu. Samra no Dr. Amuakotofo beda no mbre dikan. Ya launch wo kuma say I was the MC. Ya launch Ashanti region there no. Me na me ye MC, me am Jahid, and am ye MC. O kuma say. Pempa Assembly Hall, me na me ye MC. Me dey launch school feeding program. Eba ye na enrollment for primary school. E course so say hum. Let us say dey na ya de papa. And a chronon ketenkete sha asese bebema ebesin ne la busia aya na me hu chrono te chrono ba chrono no bi ho a wote a se wanye careful a wo be ka asem bi a yenka wan hwa wo be ya ade a yenye wa Ashanti region school feeding who asem na me kebado was 5 questions am person busa say ya. My first question they say, and no matter a regional coordinator of school feeding program, and Ashanti region. First question: and it says school feeding aban car na ekutan no ɔse akronfo ahia ne kwan magye car na free ne nsɛm etima me ma do me first question is say what report am a police ana what report am a police ana say car na yes school feeding for car na we say akronfo agye afri wo nsɛm no pa chow what report am a police ana. And my first question. Number 2. Sukuu na your friend Rokanji Primary, Presby Primary na watafo ewo Kumase no. Why na ye ketra wo ho? And my second question. Get to the regional coordinator. My first question no. Tambay and a national school feeding program na sha say e tue sika say ye nua aduane ewo sa sukuu we. Na time ben so the ketra ko ho and he third. My question to so and it says school feeding program no. And she say say ketra ba kumbetuma noa aduane amankwada dodo sen. And then my fourth question. And then my last question to the regional coordinator of Ashanti region. And it say Sukuu na water for 1807 no e kam hyehyɛ ne ho anase nka ho but ma me fa no si ho asɛm na me bɛka ne nyinaa no ɛwɔ afigya se constituency honorable ayu the constituency on the DMP ho asɛm na me bɛka yi Ebusa assembly ina ne say school feeding na ewo ho no ewo kuro ni mu no district ni mu no school se mako ensia school feeding eni ho tienie pese wo yi wasum na wotie ne yie school feeding ebi ni schools ensia me bebo di ama wo ena district assembly na tibe hwa nyame anim ese sa schools nsie eyade a school feeding wo ho it's from last year February school feeding national secretariat etua sika no sa almost 2 billion and ebinim so yi sika ne di sa wa bra school feeding bia ni ho ketra bia ni ho ya nu aduane bia mo bia school sukura ni kronim yeah hwehwɛm no ye copy so say maame ba ko na oye MPP polling station women organizer ono eno say eye honorable DC yina owa afija ase ho no ene ka kire ne say onko bo besia ma no ti asem ne ye o amasa wo kan waka ne ye tie me ye ena DC na ma wakobo besia wonu ni dim enti mimi hia sika na maso adwoa se famidi wudi adwoa no kobo besia ne bra na famam ena adwoa kwaje besia na ba adwoa kwaje sika ne ba na ne tua no ayeden enti bank ne tete adwoa ena maka tra adwoa se hey usawnim se na me DC ya se kwaje school feeding program no bi bra ma register me do wato so na me register adwoa na me de to so say tem ena fei but what dey ma me kwa aba no so mra wia mema story no honorable AJ Befi Emmanuel I presiding member e wa Afijase Sechere East mentioning him honorable what me kan me mo achen
but me Johnson abo fidikesi so
me da say but you say ye wo na nura nwumra me frɛ wo no ananya wo
but say me
da say eba ne sign na presiding member betiti bibi yesi assembly no na ma approve ema school se mako ensia school feed ne nko hoda yesi mo age atum se ye ntua sika se ye aduane wo honti besi sesi ame no kasa yi national coordinating no edatua edemam wo ho wa bra be pie se nye saa ɛna teɛ ɛma yɛakye obi wɔ mpatwa asɛm no ɛte sɛn
but information bi a obi a no na ɔka be diro no ɛyɛ no korɛ na yɛmu bi ɛsɛ woyɛ pani ɛwɔ Ghana hanom na sɛ wobɛyɛ nea ɛyɛ a wo bebrebe eduru ba bi kura na ya tag o asema yɛ kan ɛyɛ assembly members ɛwɔ Sekyi East ɛyɛ 26 elected assembly members na ohun sɛ aside the school feeding no kura there were other issues they brought on board ɛfa more fees as ɛkɔ so na ɔmo nyinaa yɛ akwan sɛ ɔmo bɛka ho asɛm in a formal way for informal way any regional minister petition along the party line but then the only way I need to a proposal here a sign vote of no confidence so over 2 years DC my bought my mouth be 3 months ni e was some way na no question is e duru ba bia na ni pa bi di ya say ade a wo kan woni say e no kure na e bedu ba bi na ye tag wo no intima ye mu bi kura as the case may be wo ye pani nti wo kan wo asem na ho akoye na so na nya me as a person na me ka de no a body of assembly members na who say sad no e koso na nya de kura say akoso amaskatwaba na me no ka say sa ba ko ye ketra sikani ba ye okoje na ho nyama bi enu nti DC beso obeje no e wo hono no kura kupe a obi agitum K2S no mimi krom kura mimi fi etunkum so ewo afidase no school ewo no primary schools na etu ezo so obamu a ba ko ho no ma e kan ho a obekọ kromo ba bia unhu unfo wani kosua yi hu school no ade ne e no kura mami ma background information so bia we ya asa die we a ye kan wasem ade we ya kan wasem no a whole school feeding coordinator no I forgot the name but then something Kofi Amwa something Yasakino for now or the rebata ebaye I think I can't just quote by one of the media we know or let's say the root cause of his dismissal no every and district here na ye dimpani for bi hu yaw as at now the money keeps on coming about a week yeah can scan aba ho ya afeja apaja because it's a whole huge money nipa bi
okay pacho mamimbu sa questions bi na di machi intunkum so presby bi no school a ewo ho
me ho na ye wo me tete me ho na me gina as assembly member oh and from the house so much Bibia ni osa mimiko school Tunkusu Presby. That is Tunkusu Presby, Presbyterian.
Okay.
That is in Tunkusu Presby, you know. And that nothing else, nothing more.
Okay. And a school feeding be any acronym.
School feeding on me Tunkusu Presby, no. And you want RC. Primary schools too now. You need Tunkusu Presby Bibia Obu.
Morning Tunkusu Presby Bibia Okrum ho.
That be.
Okay. What district no more baby for ho Senche. Methodist Primary.
Sekyi your Methodist Primary.
Okay. And you
need other any Methodist Primary Bibia or I think that this thing and I do because other mama no asem. Maybe ni asem. Okay. We are speaking to the truth.
Okay. What do you mean kwen no ho dibechi. Mo was Senieja DA Primary A wo ho.
Senieja your Senieja Primary you need A.
Say enya no kra mo wa Feyasi DA number 2 primary A and B wo ho
dabi Feyasi primary school me family school me ko tira dia ahro ni Feyasi ebum na ahro for go the school eno mu say population aso and Feyasi 40 omu school it's only one primary
I hin say SDA primary A and B nso
me bacho primary ba ko pe ene wo no
ase na mo kan krom wo ho
okay krom ho no
okay krom Salvation primary A and B
okay krom Salvation primary A1
want A and B bia ni ho
The idea can say Obama choir make mama I'm the presiding member. I'll give you the
me pese me busa questions bi na wa boa me. We are member kwam wa kasa wate.
Mati.
Me da say. And okay, yenye ntunkum so primary A and ntunkum so primary B and ntunkum so primary. Now say yes anete.
Dabi.
And je bia we ya wo say school feeding program national abaya investigation wo mo ho ahwehwem ehunu se enipa bi atwa school ni bi agum e wo district ni di mu a omo de age school feeding sika saa ebesi sesi ame no ka sei
minia medo ase wo ma fidie we esu enu nti aya ye di matutu ye ho ase e wo ma fidie kesi yi so se na me ma background check no a whole coordinator and national school feeding coordinator no so who can write up now or no class state emphatically and it is true. And yet, right now it's open secret. And yet, bibia oko website, bibia oko. You can even go to the secretariat and they know. My problem is I don't know why our leaders sit aloof, watching things going down the drain.
Mami na omo che no no oye hwan ya.
Mami no, ya me tie ni say ono also eka ghost created school ni bi. O ketra it was at school now anyone so ya pick it no. Now I think that there was underhand deal because so DC kwaje maameno sika on condition say saadi we ba obeman bi na enum sika na e ba no I think the issue no e ba betoma na sika na sa transfer ko bi enum na last one ba ya eni dabia no ba na obi hinti no nti ono timi ko yiye na ehobu police for ba mu commander mu nyina police commander okuma nyina ba mu and I think the case is still pending.
Ma many can say mu DC no ka ho no ne yes aka na no mo twe aban sikedi ne den na ma ya fa ho.
Nya ma video de e fidigase enu nti yetimi ntwatro e wotade mu. Yanya kasa say yeah petition we na there was 6 counts of charges and it is a charge na edikan sa we no enu ti ya 2 anamo bia make kama bia de we akodura body a anti corrupt agencies bia say enya sa documents we no ebi everall. Then what can we do as an assembly member, as presiding member? We are just we are safeguarding the assembly, so whatever is wrong we bring it on board, and I think that's what we can do, and that's what we've done.
Entino say moye presiding member kronim sa mo district suku si amabobodi ba kokura suku bia ne mu krom ho aye frɛ ne sa
dabi
na eja presiding member wote hoyi na say koso na Ghana sika twitwiri di bebrebe schools 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 schools makomako enso wo fa eye presby school ya enkwada ya tro ondin wo ho chese ye no aduane ma wo ntunkum so presby bia enye no kore no ye pa chese 442 ba ko ne 445 ba ko St. Methodist B a ghost school and also 429 and 459 Seneja DA Primary A and so 392 and a Feyasi DA number 2 Primary 392 Ahinsai SDA Primary 662 and a Okan Chrome Salvation Army Primary A and B 548 and a Tunkum Surprise B Ankasa Primary and so 420. Say a Kikabu Boma Nacha San Kwadaya no Adrianema or district imui a ghosty a kaka krabi na do 2000 nkwala makomako 2000 and who sika aban tua ne tem bia na ye wie sika di openi presiding member hwa na waya na say ye den a
minya medo asipa na banize ye tumra ye kire esie onze mama whole background check anka ubenya yen petition ya di bi call yeah say yebetu ye DC and am officers na minim every permanent I will give you and it yentra on mukwa yentra on mukwa anamo bia ze yetu bia na de makwa ya ne se yetu anamo nyina mampanifo bia any agencies bia ohwe se corruption na mampani kura can say members or citizens supposed to be citizens but not spectators, you know. Now you say, oh, hurriedly, like you say, President Kufuor episode, there was this fast track court, and if it was allegation, people will come down, investigate them. Right now, there's no need investigating. The truth is there, the evidence is there. Maybe a show. For now, Kurana be bien, Namano be so. They say the presiding member say, oh no, I didn't there. The country and yet the purpose. Maybe assembly no, no, because now when we were sitting back, now in the cinema being continuous to say my say your bar assembly need the other say you put things in the right perspective, but then only to be handcuffed with Nema Bia, won't mean you be. Okay, Momo
Shishim, where part one to the man how Mon Shishim. Any report am I here, any DAPA no pointed to the fact to say Mudisi in here involved.
Oh, and Mammy and no, I am Penise because of our society and our tradition. Was here and Oka Unya Nikana adding. But then me name Obahanma various way no I was school feeding coordinator for the district. But then I'm telling you this we don't have. And it is single-handedly. Onuna Bibia, it is a new one eye.
Mameda was a presiding member. And she was Afro. I was saying, some American schools in the Mabo Bono, and then Quada a womb, but my mouse story in the Watias here. It's DC no, Honorable Mary. And a mamma, me, a chini said, would you quadjib Bessian and mammy? Nametria. My men say on DC no a Jessica man you know. Wa pim swa pima DC no ontimi ntua sika no emfa ma no 13,000 Ghana cedis besia no kwagema no samete conversation na me amitie ye no year 13,000. Eti oji besiane ma DCE oti ho sese ya anya DCE dada meka present DCE His Excellency na na danko akufado na bondi man ba DCE oyoba eti wonim sada me mpem ma asem ka bebre ti se wonsa me kan na chesa no anyan ena DCE ntimi ntuanti o ka kire ma me ne se me mere boadu a me na me DCE me ma school feeding ni yetimi de atua kana ewo ho no okay and also me meribuat mama for dia oh kan kuma to ye me se me DCE oh to bukura mensuro me ye kama and my mini creative ghost school feeding program 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and on the mama me friend Lucy Donko na kwaje besia na ma DCE no DCE ni ntimi ntua so creating na man no be account e o rural bank e wo m district me pese me bo rural bank di wo mo nka ho wo de wo yo madwuma genuinely and school feeding for nkrata akọ na DCE ni troye e no san ye and no me ankasa me ni DCE na kasa twice. Na sabo kacha me say ane ayampa mayam from so me na me confirm me yes say yentua na ya adwen say we will refund the money. It initially no na oni yenka say beya ya man ne anase china obefa flight every Kumase aba na oni ya betra se na de wom bia no yetimi aka. It's a no anwumra me friend was no regional minister say obeshia DCE sine presiding members sine mpanifo a ewo region mu nyinanti ontimi mma enti ebeya memma modian na mempe flight na memra kumase de medie ne babia medade eye kofo zaarom na watimi abrifi mi na se briefing na me hia no phone yi so yi mam briefing no no say na mema briefing no phone yi so na me so to marinda why na approve ye osemia mia na me approve ye na ye fom so yan hwehwem ne kopie se schools makomako enso yi a maami ahyadade abewura school feed mu no sika ne beto mu a edi kan pepepe ena bank for ne fa sika ne se wabebo besia ma interest ne kwa na ekwata ma se odi tua no wontimi ntua ye na bank ne fa sika ne shem na disi ne ka se kana wo kwaje ye no on se matua school feed na tua nti ya tua manate disi oba disi oba abayem disi Oriya ne sa no second one e betom say team ena maame no ekoyi kwama no bam ena afei amano 300 Ghana cedis out of 14,000 Ghana na afei omu yiko no omu yiko no omu yiko no omu yiko no omu yiko omu ya kwa from last year besi enne ameno ka sei sika no ekwa no omu yi na ntibi busao asamwe ma last year yetete yesi yeto ye boase na ya hwehwem ye kosi ase twan ase akasa I need to take my time and work on this story. And I hint school feeding from penny for. So the school feeding national directorate, echo district in echo check schools sir. And what you nani obiane the number. Womodu noa aduane no emankwala no. Edruha school feeding in penny for koya the ababe to mu ne se sa schools mako ensien one any school feeding no code any Ghana education services so number be a code be a chese school be a tesa ewo ho and I say panyinam a pegwam na DC no ne maami a your friend Lucy Donkwe or your women organizer in MPP any MPP DC akasi ani say ria o man no school feeding headquarters are aware of this now we ni kitwe bi we soro no keke ye ndu fam ho we part 1 obi nkanche ma me Cynthia Morrison Minister of Gender ma me say school feeding na e won ministry na se no de koso nie na ye ni de kire ye hwe say Iyoko you are listening BNI you are listening National Security you are listening Regional Minister of Ashanti Region you are listening Regional Coordinator of School Feeding in Ashanti Region you are also listening enya ade obi betimi de krata bia asie apie information bia ne obi betimi de asie apie ye ne de kire 0302 216561 216562 where part 1 Monday memma another one about this one 0302 216561 216562 hello good morning
Captain.
Yes sir
Captain it's NDC and MPP it's one bit maka corruption some say we ye na we there on Yibiana.
Maka cho so mo ye waste. Mo me political being be ye
for Captain true. I was say pam wo nyina free ho. Omo high. Omo tete Captain. We nyina Captain. Se so mo timi disika ase nyame ni wiasum. Ase judgment bi ani ho. Nyame fa ye born in chain.
Nyame fa ye na ye born in chain. Hello good morning. Went to me engineer so you fa. Ai, hello. Yes good morning.
Boy, but
Nyame adom me.
Pacho for Christmas Jesu.
Me da se.
Da se mo ke sia oye. Pacho me pese me jo pese no me work case bi me mo pa. O so.
No okay, omo no ye do me kasa wache. All right, but that's the next person. Morning in Casa. Man, Catano. Hold on. Hello, good morning. Yes, sir.
Me paucho Machinamido or the staff for free. He should respond the man who point everything is no more because he's at Azul office elected.
But I say, Machinamido. What is your Onimasi?
They are supposed to prosecute the people.
There be Tobo man found the 9 continue patenting Congo. Why not Buaman? Yes, Machinamido aware. No, yeah, okay.
But people who are no
Yanka previous as some higher cowie.
You
but I see Philip Afro. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, good morning. Yami Adom.
Morning, Juma, where am I Ghana? Hello?
Juma Dase.
You only say, Sikadia, I have to Ghana. I tell you the Perifono, and Perifono yet. A Perifono, yes, is I say corruption. I told you to integrate you when I'm a young classman. Hey, Ghana, you're being the power, a little bread, Ghana, you're better for me at home. No, when you scar, no, I did. When you are, no, I did. Let you make them online. Something. And then you mean Yaguma. You could come more by, and then you could do. Now, and someone at Jesse. Sir, not by Yagumano.
But I say, hello, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Pacho Mamin to you.
Okay.
But, okay.
Captain. Ghana soon. We say having course soon. A bear go question the Christopher Wow. They might just make some so much money. Yeah, I think I do it. Memoria, in Beria, in Kitoria, I can say, Master Syria. Hey, Ghana, Obao, who ya? That's way. Every time, every year, that's a Kaya, over to every time to do a BSc. Just as Ghana, no, what was Okasa, I mean, headers. Decreases. Wait, to Ghana, yeah, Captain. Ghana, we Ghana, what do you see? Opa, I forgot Funa, and quite Japan. Never Japan Funa, ever Ghana. Ghana for Japan, or about sell Japan. And you follow so many Kitano, black mentality. I do see. Ah, wait, when I'm going to say, ready. Wait, that's a cathedral.
Hello. Hello, good morning.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Pacho Mamintio.
Captain Kojo Smart.
Yes, sir.
I'm this is the first time in Sakon. Unihamachi, site manager, wanted golf club.
Ejuma da sim samachi.
Yo, yeah, like I said later. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, the captain Smart.
What time am I into you?
Captain.
Yes, sir.
Unim Sagana, Eddie. Captain. Asam kakra mechanism sabe your friend is a president only appointing Machamidu. Yenja Machamidu non ten baby because BDS said my president. Sabe. Sir, o man pay that be obi ju so ko president mama. Na den tasi say yanka say your president Nado. God no kwena dey no kwena ni say yanka o. Sabe. Yenja say the way I say yanka be be my president because o man yenyo man pay that be obi ju so obi ko jom kwena say ko ye ko president mama. Na vi say the uko say man ka say Nado. Ade. Yenya ni say na ambre ko to de ne boje. Na yenyina yenya say say na wi be president yanka be biam for man Nado. O mo Ghana be biam.
That's it. You're next person. Last one. Hello, morning.
Fine, Captain.
Every time I'm into you.
Yo, me da say any ujumapa udi amagana mai. Your friend Mr. Nobody me say fiku ujumapa. Na say o share penye o mai mu ebirunya nyama kakre bia na mu disika ya disika amma o se fa hwe e kwala o mu school. Udidi aka ho we no eni kwan say yedi no yedi o mmeko court e say ye jeli o mu nyina e say o mu gu Ghana ni ma say sika yedi benye bibi no yedi ama no say no function in Kalana, no much should be a good. Nakupo entra Ghana without her.
Men so meda sepa memfa ofrefobia biom. International so ma me say we just part 1 of the school feeding. I say you share one village one dam na se no. Na nkofo fi say yedi agro. So when revelation say pia we yam behyew president na kasa no ho adwiri no and he's happy say yes adwuma no. The President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, is happy. Say yes, Ejumano. And no him say na eko. School feeding ni ashasi and we part 1. Man ya wadwen say wo de ne yenim ya investigate awie. Ebeduru won so. Ye be wi afijase. Ti de mesre Honorable Minister BNI Yoko any Ghana police ne say DC ya owo afijase sechere east Mami Mary Honorable Mary Boatma Mafo oho ntemha we can't wait anymore. Kwame Nkrumah say change when it is denied or too long delayed. Violence will break out here and there. Not that men planned or willed it, but the accumulated grievances would erupt with volcanic fury. And it will surely come one day. Say answer say near my ye e wo manyi mu a. Sharon Sumame say Vitamilk aduane ankasa. Greenfield Scientific Herbal. And Franco Trading phone e wo wiase mu nyina ne papa fie. Wonom ne so asene a yade Fabɛwɔso ebrewo. Yada na ye ho aba ye ba mpensempensem no ebe ba so na e different kra. Yasem nie